Before that, gusto ko lang maklaro yung about sa landing ng helicopter ni Congressman Teves doon sa Davao de Oro. Kasi maraming spekulasyon doon na baka daw nag-deliver ito ng mga gunman, pinauwi galing doon sa crime scene, hinati daw doon. Gusto natin malaman, Major General Ricardo Banayat, my former tactical officer of the Philippine Military Academy, now the head of CAAP. Ano sir? CSIS of CAAP?
The Security Intelligence Service of CONG.
Security. Yes, go ahead sir, you have the floor.
To the Honorable Chairman, other members of the committee, good afternoon. I am Retired General Ricardo Banayat, the head of the CAAP Security and Intelligence Service. We have 87 airports, sir, to CAAP manage. And we have assigned security personnel, and these personnel are being augmented by Blue Guards. Aside from that, sir, we have PNP APSI Group personnel in our airports. And of course, the OTS is there. And with regards to the helicopters that you are asking, with your permission, sir, we have the head of the Flight Standards Inspectorate Service nandito, sir, kasama ko si Captain Mendoza to explain to you, sir, yung helicopters.
Yes, Captain Mendoza, are you around? Please, Comsec, administer the out. And after Captain Mendoza, PNP Kumbal or PR, ikaw magsalita mamaya. Tapusin natin ito. Sabay na kayo mag-out, please.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this investigation?
I do.
Thank you, sir. Please sit down.
Okay, unahin natin yung CAAP. Please enlighten us on this matter. Go ahead, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'm Captain Don Mendoza, the Chief of the Flight Standard and Inspectorate Service, which is in charge of pilots' licenses, aircraft registrations, and medical. With regard to that flight last March 5, 2023 in Bayawan, the aircraft was RPC 1055. The type of aircraft is Bell 505, which is about a 6-seater helicopter.
Excuse me ha, sandali lang sir ha. Palabas nga yung video tungkol dyan, yung video galing sa Kumbal. Meron ba kayo dyan yung video? Para malaman natin kung the same aircraft yung sinasabi ng ating resource person. Sino may video nun? PNP, meron kang video? Ibigay mo doon sa secretariat para ma-play. Ibigay mo doon sa... Please, continue, sir. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. And it is based in Alpha Tango Hangar, Barangay Aganan, Sibulan Airport, Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. The owner details is Bayawan Agri Venture Corporation with a certificate of airworthiness until 14 October 2023. The recorded passengers for that flight on March 5 were the pilot in command is Captain Lloyd C. Garcia II, and the passengers are as follows: Allen Ilacre, Darrell Tandayaw, Richmond John Pilones, and Felix Ilacre, with a certified flight plan filed from Davao to Bayawan and then back to Davao on the same day, sir.
From Davao to Bayawan and back to Davao.
Yes, sir.
Why is that so?
The purpose of the flight was a maintenance flight. That was the filed flight plan.
So meaning, hindi galing sa Bayawan, direkta sa Mawab, Davao de Oro, kundi from Davao,
From Bayawan, the Mawab, and then Dumaguete.
sandali, on the same day, ha?
On the same day, sir.
Bayawan,
Mawab,
Mawab,
Dumaguete.
Dumaguete.
Yes, sir.
When you say Mawab, yan yung Davao de Oro. Mawab, Davao de Oro.
Yes, sir.
So hindi, walang Davao City.
Wala, sir. Direct to Mawab.
Bayawan,
Mawab,
Mawab, Davao de Oro,
and Dumaguete.
and Dumaguete.
Yes.
On that, the same day.
On the same day.
Ang mga pangalan ng mga pasahero,
Allen Elacre, Darrell Tandayaw, Richmond John Pilones, Felix Elacre.
who are these people?
We were assuming, sir, these are the maintenance people because of the nature of the file flight plan, which is a maintenance flight.
Why Davao de Oro? Why Mawab, Davao de Oro? Bakit sila
That's
pumunta
what we're trying to find out, sir. That's the only record that we have right now of the file flight plan.
doon? Okay, mayroon ka pang additional info about that?
Wala na, sir. Yan lang, sir. But the piloting command is duly licensed, current yung kanyang lisensya, and the aircraft has a certificate of airworthiness valid until 14 October 2023.
Thank you, Cap. From you, let's go to ikaw ang provincial director ng Davao de Oro, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Colonel Paco.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Share mo sa amin anong alam niyo dito.
Sir, to our Honorable Committee Chairman, sir, my former Battalion Commander, Honorable Ronald Bato, sir. Our distinguished senators, other participants for today's hearing, in behalf of our Regional Director, Police Regional Office 11, Police Brigadier General Aldin Vidalbo, mapagpalang araw po sa lahat. I am Provincial Director of Davao de Oro, Police Colonel Benedicto Paco. Allow me to read my briefing statement. I am here to shed light the chopper landing at Mawab, Davao de Oro on March 5, 2023. Factual findings reveals that a certain Black Bell 505 chopper aircraft with registry number RP-C1055 registered under the HGD Bayawan Agri-Venture Corporation landed at the vacant premises of Mawab Central Elementary School.
Paki-play yung video habang nagsasalita si PD. I-play nyo. Continue.
Purokpor, Poblacion, Mawab, Davao de Oro on the aforementioned date. Acting on the report through Provincial Intelligence Unit on March 7, 2023, Mawab Police Station tasked its intelligence and investigation personnel to conduct inquiry and validation of the incident. Witnesses were interviewed. A certain Julius Baitan, school teacher of Mawab Central Elementary School, gave permission to the landing of said chopper upon personal request of a certain Sincoy Pilones, a resident of Purokwan, Poblacion, of the same municipality, that a certain Allen Elacre, a chief aircraft mechanic, wanted to land the chopper in vacant premises of the school.
Why?
It's also learned upon interview.
Colonel Paco, why? Bakit gusto na mag-land doon?
Kasi sir, yung aircraft mechanic sir is a resident of Mawab, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Taga-Mawab siya.
Yes, sir.
Meaning, nagpahatid siya doon.
Yes, sir.
So, sandali lang ha. Yung sinabi ni Kaap na flight manifest, the same ba yun na alam niyo na sakay doon? The same tao?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, nag-confirm ka. Yung sinabi ni Kaap, yun din ang na-find out nyo na pasahero ng helicopter na yan.
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
Sige, continue.
Continue, sir. It is also learned upon interview with Disa May Elacre, wife of the chief aircraft mechanic, that said chopper was under maintenance and for repair for almost a month from the time of incident of landing at Adigo Hangar sa Davao City. That upon the chopper landing, at the said place and time was part of maintenance flight before it will fly back to Dumaguete City. This maintenance and repair is supported with a copy of bill statement issued Davao Agritech Incorporated. This is Tadico Hangar, sir. The chopper landing flight registration is further supported with a copy of flight plan submitted to CAAP and a copy of passenger manifest which indicates the pilot, crew, and passenger of the aircraft and its origin and destination. Copies of which will be submitted and may be presented. That the origin of the aircraft was RPMD, the Francisco Bangoy International Airport, and its destination was Mawab, and will back to its origin, the Francisco Bangoy International Airport, on March 5, 2023.
Sandali lang, mayroong inconsistency dito. Sabi ni Kaap, Bayawan, Mawab, Davao de Oro, then back to Dumaguete. Ngayon meron kang sinasabi na doon sa
From Tadico,
Tadico.
sir. Hangar, sir. Sa Davao
Tadico
City.
Hangar.
Yes, sir.
Sabi niya, the same date daw yon. Tapos sa'yo, sabi mo matagal na nakatambay doon kasi undergoing repair, maintenance repair doon sa hangar ng Tadico.
Yes, sir. According to bill statement, sir, na the aircraft was under repair from February 1 to March 6, sir.
February 1 to March 6, naka-standby lang yan doon.
Yes, sir.
So which is which? Klaruhin natin ito. Anong totoo, Kaap?
The recovered flight plan filed by RPC 1055, sir, was Bangawan, Bali, Dumaguete, Bayawan, what's the name? Dumaguete, and then Davao del Norte, and then Dumaguete, sir.
No, Davao del Norte.
Yes, sir. The place, I forgot the place, sir.
Okay, kung Davao del Norte, yan yung Tadico.
Mawab, sir. Mawab.
Mawab
Mawab, sir.
is Davao de Oro. Formerly Davao Norte.
Sorry, Davao de Oro, sir.
So, kalaruhin lang natin ito dahil baka magkamali tayo dito. According to your flight plan, Bayawan, Tumaco, Davao de Oro, then back to Dumaguete. Yan yung flight plan.
Beg your pardon, Mr. Chair. I misread RPMD to RPVD. It's RPMD. I seek your indulgence. It's Davao Mawab. I misread it, Mr. Chair.
Davao.
Davao, sir. I'm sorry.
So Davao de Oro.
Davao, sir.
Okay. So how are we going to reconcile this? Sabi nila nakastambay yung helicopter
Yes, sir.
doon sa hangar ng Tadico for around 1 month bago ito pinalipad nung araw na yon. Sabi mo galing sa Bayawan.
My apologies, Mr. Chair, but I misread RPVD to RPMD to RPVD. RPVD is Dumaguete, RPMD is Davao. So I misread it in the first statement that I read.
So ano ngayon?
It's Davao, Mawab, and then Davao, sir.
Davao, Mawab, and then Davao?
Yes, sir.
Walang Dumaguete?
Wala, sir. Walang Dumaguete because this is just a maintenance flight.
Davao, Mawab, Davao de Oro, then back to Davao Norte doon sa Davao yung hangar.
Yes, Your Honor.
So walang Dumaguete.
Walang Dumaguete. I misread it, your Mr. Chair.
Okay. We klaro na.
Thank you, sir.
Klaro. So imposible ito makapagkarga ng mga gunman na pinasibat doon sa crime scene kung ganun man, dahil nga hindi man pala ito nanggagaling sa Dumaguete or Bayawan on that day, kundi galing ito sa Davao, pumunta sa maintenance
Mawab,
flight,
sir.
papunta Mawab,
Then Mawab from back to Davao pa rin.
balik to Davao.
Yes, sir. Yun ang
So walang
nasa-
Dumaguete dito. So okay, klaro na tayo dyan. Ha? So there was no Dumaguete.
Wala, sir.
So yung speculations ng mga tao doon na baka ito'y sinakyan ng mga gunman na pinasibat from the crime scene papunta doon sa ibihinatid sa Davao de Oro is wrong.
Yes, sir. According to our investigation, yun ang flight details nila, sir.
At ang sakay nito ay mga
Yung ang sakay dito sir, yung aircraft mechanic sir, yung helper niya, yung bayaw niya sir, then yung kapatid niya sir, at saka kaibigan ng kapatid niya sir.
Okay.
Pwede kong ipakita sir yung passenger manifest sir, may sadyan dyan sa presentation ko sir.
yes, go ahead.
Saka may
Paki-
CCTV
yung sa
naman
slide
siguro dyan, ano? May CCTV dyan?
May nagbi-video talaga.
Nasa-
May nagti-TikTok pa nga eh. Kompleto, recorded
Yes, sir.
yan nandun. Please, pakita natin.
Yes sir.
Technicals, lumampas na tayo alas 5, baka pagalitan tayo dito. Pakibilis-bilis yung pag-play dyan. Wala pa rin. Ayaw mag-play. But anyway, it is settled, no? Na hindi ito nagagaling sa Dumaguete. Dalawa kayong ahensya nagko-confirm. Both CAAP and local police ng Davao de Oro.
Yes sir.
Yes,
So,
Mr.
andyan
Chair.
na. Sige, go ahead. So, you confirm, CAAP, the same aircraft yan na sinasabi mo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yung may tatak na Teves Cares, yan yung the same helicopter yan na sinasabi mo kanina na ang flight plan is Davao, Mawa, Davao.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, thank you. Ikaw, confirm mo.
Yes,
Yan
sir.
yun.
Yan ang according to our investigation, sir. And
Okay.
information, sir.
So, thank you. Anyway, kung basehan rin natin ang investigation ng PNP, lahat naman din ng gunman na involved sa attack on that fateful day are accounted for. So that would lay to rest yung kanilang haka-haka na naghatid yan ng gunman doon na pinasibat. So case closed na tayo as far as that helicopter is concerned. Klaro na. So thank you for that.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Senator Bong, it's already 5:22. Ma'am, okay lang sa inyo bumalik bukas? Okay lang ha? Sige, nandito naman kayo. Tapusin natin ito. Huwag kayong umuwi doon na hindi ito matapos. Para, marami pa, di ba? Ako, I am willing to continue, ha? Prepared ako na aabot tayo ng madaling araw ngayon dito. Pero, yun nga, may advice daw na hanggang 5 lang dahil Idul Fitr, magrespeto rin tayo sa ating mga kababayang Muslim na mag-celebrate ng Idul Fitr. So, okay lang sa inyo, balik tayo bukas, alas 10 ng umaga. Okay? Balik tayo bukas ng alas 10 ng umaga. So, ikaw, Sir Henry, makabalik ka ugma.
If I'm still needed, I will be back definitely.
Yeah, baka merong itatanong sa'yo.
Sige po.
Ha?
I'll be back. Yes.
Okay. So, thank you.